Hello guys. Dito kami sa park. Saan yung mga kasama ko? Iniwanan ako. Das ist my asawa. Was ist das da?
That's ticket shop, but it's closed.
It's closed. Sarado yung shop niya. Yung ticket. Dito lang kami, gala-gala. Libre, walang bayad. Ka-live ka, te? Ayan si Wuf Wuf. Pag dito lang sa labas, wala kang babayaran. Kaya okay lang. Hi, Mikael. Say hello to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog, Mikael. Okay, please follow to Mikael page. Like and share. Thank you. Shout out, Mikael. Oh, Mikael, dadami na ang ano mo. Dito lang kami guys, walang bayad. So, dito lang sa labas-labas. Fresh air. Oh, wala na mga dahon. Sayang. Oh, was ist das? Die kleine Haus da. Honey, was ist das? Huh. Back oven? This one. Tingnan. Ano kaya yan, Janice? Pasukin natin. Maganda rito kung green na green. Ipapatay na patapos na ang ano, magtataglamig na guys. Kaya ang mga dahon paano na naglalagas. Parang ano lang din, family. Simbolo ng family. Merong aalis, merong magbabalik, merong mag-i-stay. Yan ang simbolo ng family tree. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, you know the family is like a tree. Ha? Sabi niya, bakit ano like a tree? Kasi kako yung puno, naglalagas yung dahon niya, tapos yung iba babalik, tapos mag-i-stay. Sabi naman niya, 'di ba? Yung ibang pamilya mawawala, tapos yung iba naman yung talagang ano na family, mag-i-stay talaga. Ang connection niya ay yung root. Mananatili ang kanyang pagmamahal sa pamilya. No, honey? Family is like a tree? Why? Yes, you say. What is that? Was is das?
Filipino houses.
Filipino house?
Yeah, for rent.
Hello. You know in Philippines have...
Children playground.
Huh?
Children playground.
Children playground.
Yeah.
Huh?
Or Filipino playground.
Ano bang meron sa taas? Ano lang naman. Parang ano lang siya. Bahay-bahay kubo ng mga bata.
That's
Pwede
the
rin.
restaurant, okay?
Yeah. We're having coffee there, I think, honey.
No, that was in Schleswig.
Coffee. Feel like they have also coffee. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. God bless. Stay safe, healthy, and blessed Monday here in Deutschland on Bliss Tuesday in Philippines. Ingat sa lahat. Maraming pagsubok. Alam kong maraming pinagdadaanan ng aking mga kababayan. Be strong lang. Kapit. Huwag bibitiw sa pananampalataya. Prayer lang, guys. Manatiling manalig sa Diyos. Okay. Please follow my Facebook page, Juicy and Frank. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, guys.
Say hi to my followers.
Hello. Hello. Please follow my page, Juicy and Frank. Thank you.